Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the easy recipe for breakfast which you guys can make it in 5 minutes. So let's start how to make Rava Idli Upma at your home. So for this Upma what you need, I have some leftover idli, that is the Rava idli, and I scrambled this one. And take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. So I am going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. So when the oil is little bit hot, you have to add the cumin seeds, the mustard seeds and the urad dal. So I added 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of urad dal. And I am going to add some fresh curry leaves and the hing powder, dasafatida, and I'm going to mix all these things. And I'm going to add this idli upma, idli crumble into this, and I'm going to mix this one, and it's time to add the salt up to your taste, how much salt you want. If you want, you can add the cashews also, cashew nuts. It's time to add the salt and turmeric powder. And I added some salt also. Don't add too much salt because the Rava idli had already some salt. So no need to add more salt into this. So this recipe you can make it in 5 minutes for the breakfast, guys. So this is very easy. And I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Not too much. So I think no side dish required for this dish because it has already everything. So yeah. So this is the quick video of how to make idli rava upma in 5 minutes, even less than 5 minutes. So see you soon in my another cooking video, and please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye. So you see, it's very nice and tasty and yummy. Bye.